In the last video, you might have seen a small tribute to superstar Rajini, but today we are going to do the same thing, but a small change. We are going to create an ASCII art text. Similar to the last video, instead of us writing the code, we are going to use a Python package called as PyFiglet. PyFiglet is a complete package which contains a huge amount of font styles, which is used to create ASCII art forms. With that, welcome to ASA Learning. In today's episode of Explain in Minutes, we are going to install PyFiglet module. To install PyFiglet module, we are going to copy pip install PyFiglet from Python package index and we are going to open CMD. After opening command prompt, we are going to paste the pip install PyFiglet and we are going to run it. And we have successfully installed PyFiglet module. And now we are going to import Figlet from PyFiglet library. So from PyFiglet, we are going to import Figlet module. Figlet takes the ordinary value as well as the ASCII characters as an input and it will arrange in pattern and hence they appear as a big fancy text. So now let us create an object for Figlet and it takes font. Now I'm going to give the font name as a standard one and we will provide the text now. So here you have render text. I'm going to use this. I'm going to give the text as ASA Learning. Let's see how it is. And this is a standard font that we have used. It has created an ASCII art using our text. And now I'm going to walk you through different font styles that are available in PyFiglet. For this, I have chosen 11 different font styles and let's see how it is. The text that I have used is ASA and I have created a list of 11 fonts which are my favorite ones in this PyFiglet module. And I have used a for loop to print the text in each font style. So we have used the same lines here as well, but instead of hard coding the font, I have created a list and I'm iterating through each and every font style. Let's see how it is. I will run this. Beautiful. You got it right. So this is a standard font that we have already seen. And this is Isometric 1, Larry 3D, Slant. This is also a beautiful font. Roman among all, this is my favorite one. You have alphabet. You have seen our Python alphabet pattern where we have coded for each and every letter as dots, but here using a single line we got ASA being printed in alphabet pattern. That too, the A shape is only with the letter A, and you have other font styles as well. You can explore it. 3D also one of the useful fonts when you use it in websites. Digital, Alligator. So Alligator is a special font style where at the bottom you have hashes and as you go above it will get mixed with plus and colon symbols. You have Banner 3D, Dot Matrix, and you have other font style as well. If you want to view all the font style, I will import PyFiglet again and I'm going to print all the font styles that are available in this PyFiglet module. There you go. These are the complete list of font styles that are available in PyFiglet module. You can explore each and every one of it. I have tried a lot of these things, but among these things, these 11 are my favorite ones. And here it contains a huge list of font styles which you can readily use in a single line. And there is another option also. If you want to add a new font style to your PyFiglet module, you can do so by giving PyFiglet-L and you can specify the path of the font file. So it will get installed and even that you can use it from the PyFiglet module. As you're seeing here, you can create different font ASCII art using just a single line of code by using PyFiglet module. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you find this interesting, give a like, comment your queries below. In the previous Explained in Minutes videos, we got queries and I have replied to all your queries. The playlist link is given in the description if you are interested in magic reveals using Python program, and it is also given in the description below. Thanks for watching and hit that bell icon. Take a pound.